NLS Bard Mobile How-To Series. How to subscribe to a book series or magazine title.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the Bard Mobile How-To Series, I am going to cover subscribing to a book series or magazine title. Subscribing to magazines or book series will cause Bard to add new issues or series titles to your wish list as soon as they become available on Bard. To subscribe to a magazine title, select Browse Magazines from the Get Books tab. Choose Audio Magazines or Braille Magazines depending on your format preference. In this example, I am going to subscribe to an audio magazine. Scroll through the list of available magazine titles. Double tap on the title you wish to subscribe to. A list of available issues will be presented. Flick left once to access the Subscribe button. Double tap to subscribe. Select OK to confirm. To unsubscribe from a magazine, go to the list of available issues and double tap on the Unsubscribe button. Select OK to confirm. To subscribe to a book series, find a book that is part of a series. Double tap on the More Info button associated with that book to access the Details page. In this example, I'm going to subscribe to the Eve Dallas Mysteries series in audio format. Once you access the Details page, flick right twice to access the More Info button. In the More Actions dialog box, you can initiate download, add the book to your wish list, access all books by the author, access all books in the subject category, access all books in the series, or subscribe to the series. Double tap on Subscribe to the Eve Dallas Mysteries. Double tap on the OK button to confirm. Note that subscribing to a series only causes Bard to add newly available books in the series to your wish list. The currently available books in the series will not be added. To unsubscribe from a book series, access the Details page of any book in the series. Double tap on the More Actions button and then double tap on the Unsubscribe button. Select OK to confirm. For details on reading an audiobook, refer to the How to Read an Audiobook video in this series.